What's up? This is Rob. Today we're going to be talking about how to make die cut stickers out of sticker paper, out of weatherproof sticker paper. I did one video already about how to make die cut stickers, but I was using a different product. It was Subla decal and it was using sublimation, but this way kind of skips a lot of the process. You'll just be using a regular old inkjet printer. Doesn't matter what kind of ink, as long as it's just inkjet printer. But you will be using the special sheets. You get it online, labels. They sent me a sample pack of weatherproof gloss inkjet paper. There's the part number. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. But this way should be much easier, use a lot less equipment, and we'll see how it goes. So it printed out really well. It looks nice. It's almost got like a metallic kind of look to it. One thing I am worried about is, since it's so glossy and metallic-y, that the registration marks might not show up right. So we'll see how that goes. And it's off to the cutter. Preset for my cutter, and now it's taking so long to cut. I know, that's what she said. I have no idea. No idea. First impression is they look really good. Hot diggity. The only thing I gotta say is right off, I don't really like about it is, for some reason the surface feels kind of tacky, like it's got something sticky on it. Not sure if I just got a bad batch, but if you put your thumb on it and leave it there, it'll leave a thumbprint. Maybe I'll just go put these under the heat press for a little bit and see if that changes. But all in all, they look really great. I'm gonna have to put one on my car or something and see how it stands up to the weather. But there you go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos.